Welcome back to another video tutorial on SQL. I'm going to explain what the and operators are in SQL, and I'm going to run a couple of examples to demonstrate the syntax. So the and operators actually allow you to specify multiple values using a where clause. In other words, it's a shorthand when you want to do multiple or conditions. So let's say you're going to run a select query to get all of the data where the region equals to uh, Polynesia, right? And so when you run this, you're actually giving your query one filter, one value for your filtering, which is to give you everything that has the Polynesia in the region column. Now, if you were to do multiple or conditions, or then in that case, instead of just using the value and then equals that the condition, we would use something called we call in operators. So in operators actually allow you to put multiple values for your filter query. So and the way it works is the syntax is you pretty much say where region and then use in, which tells the query to look for anything that comes up in the parentheses. So let's say we say give me everything from the world indicator table where the region actually includes an IN, short for include, and then since the region is a character column, then we're going to use the single quote to start to write those characters. So let me take a look at the regions before I specify the regions. There you go. So let's say we're going to ask for three regions, right? We're going to start with Southern Europe. The next one we're going to comma, and then again uh, open single quote again, and then the second one will be the Caribbean, and then the third one will be South America. So now your query will include all of these three conditions. So let's go ahead and run it. There you go. All you see on the filter table are regions with these three values. So you can also use the in operator uh, to uh, to tell your query not to include something, so or exclude something. So the way that works is let's go ahead and use the same syntax here, copy and paste it, and just change this uh, add the not in front of in. So pretty much you're telling the query to not include these three. Here you're including these three values for the query parameter, but here you're telling your query that it should not include these three query filter parameters. Let's go ahead and run it. And you're going to see we're going to get everything except for these three categories. So you will not find these three categories in here because they have been excluded based on this not in. So again, in make sure allows you to add multiple values for a filter query using a where clause, and not in actually does the opposite where you're excluding uh, multiple values in a where clause. This is it, and thank you for your time.